Hey everyone, welcome to Weekend Project. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on block 15. We're almost at this So Long, Be My Neighbor by Moda. And I'm so excited, so very excited to get to the last block and get it all put together and then get quilted up and sent to my sisters. It probably won't be for Christmas, but it'll be shortly afterwards. Can only do so much. So we're finishing off this beautiful one here. It should be 15 by 18 when finished, and it is gorgeous. I have to say it's one of my favorite blocks so far. I love it. I love that big rooftop, and I love the colors that I chose for this house unit itself, and I love all the trees, the beautiful, gorgeous trees. Okay, so let's get busy. Get crack-a-lacking here. We have, oh, one more to square up. Here we go. Yep, we need to square this one up. That's our pinwheel for the center, and it needs to be squared up to 3.5. Okay, so again, putting our ruler on the line. You can see where there's the half right there and right there. We just want to trim it so it's squarer than it was before. Okay. Okay, and there we go. And there's one half of our little pinwheel here. And then we're going to get our other half of the pinwheel sorted just like that. Right? I think so. Okay. So let's put those two together. I chose some really nice pinky tones, or pink and purpley tones. Just wanted to make sure I had that little pop of extra color as we're approaching the very end of this So Long. Okay, put those together there. Just line up that little seam in the center. There we go, beautiful little pinwheel. And then from here, we add a bottom strip. I think it's that one there. And then we add our two on the side after that. Yes, there we go. Yeah, some lovely little lavender and purple tones. Pinky purple tones. It's a nice big block. Really like it. Okay, now we'll put a strip down on either side. Okay, make sure that's right. Yes, it is. All right. And again on the other side, add that beautiful little strip of fabric. All right. Okay, now from here, we have to, we do have to add the background. For some reason, I thought we weren't adding the background yet, but we do. Okay, so again, we got to put the background down here. That's strip up the side of the tree. This should be the same, and this one should be different. There we go. Here, and then there, yep, okay. Put that on the bottom. It's coming along so beautiful. I'm just having so much fun with it. Just loving it. And it's even more fun because I'm making it for two other people. So, two very important people. One more. And then we can start building on our big roof. Okay, all right. Okay, we got the base of our house done. Okay, just like that one there. And then what we have here is we have part of our roof, okay, which was just a strip with a corner piece on either side, just like we were doing the trees, just on a bigger scale. And then you have to add that to the other roof top itself. And then from there, you're going to add that big, huge square of fabric to go from the corner edge all the way up. That's what gives that unique looking rooftop to it, okay? So put underneath the needle. Of course, this is a great opportunity to come in and get another half square triangle out of this, though it's a nice big one. Nice big half square triangle. Just ignore that. All right, now come in there and trim that off, and then we're going to take that other big piece and stick it in the other corner. Okay. Place it up there nice and snug. If you have to put a pin in, put a pin or two in. Keep it nice and in the position you need it to stay in. Okay. Come on down to the other corner. Let's trim that up. Make sure we're not cutting into our other block. Be careful. You can always use a ruler if you're a little maybe uncomfortable or little afraid to slice. Okay, there we go. So now we can stick our house together, our top and the bottom. Oh, that's a beautiful house. Beautiful house. Okay. And then we'll finish off our tree that goes next to this house. And once it's quilted, it gives lots of opportunity to add like beads or sequins or, you know, embroidery floss, anything that you would like to help highlight your blocks. I mean, there's one, if you want to do one as a nice big Christmas, like that would be nice as like a Christmas tree sort of thing. Add some lights to it, depending on what color green fabrics you're using. You could maybe have some light bulb fabric. I don't know. Go crazy. Okay, there we go. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's lovely. Love those colors. Okay, so we're going to put our strip down the side that we need to separate that little tiny space between our house and the tree. And then we'll get busy on our tree. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now we got that little strip of fabric in there. Let's finish off our beautiful tree. So we have our last two pieces that we need here, right here, right here. And then we have 2-inch squares that need to go in each corner. Okay. So one in there and one over there. And we want to make sure we're sewing them so they're on the diagonal coming into the same direction. Okay. Like up to the top. Or down to the bottom, whichever one, but we're going to make sure they get in the right position. Okay. All right, so let's take this one here, underneath the needle, coming on up, and trim on this here. on up, and then same on this side. And then there's not much you can get with these little squares on the sides here because it's only 2, and so I just lop them off. Okay. And they want to be just like that. So grab the other one, finish that up. Come from the bottom up to the center. Okay. Cut those 2 little bits off. And then fold them up. Okay. So now whichever way you want to do it, dark, light, light, dark, it's up to you. It don't matter. Here, let's go light, dark, and then we'll put our little tree stem on, or the trunk of our tree. Okay. And here's our little stem. Put that right at the bottom here. Cute, 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 cute little tree. There we go. And we add the bigger part that we finished up earlier, and then so on down. All right, beautiful. Look at that tree. Isn't that gorgeous? Love the colors. Got to have fun with the colors too, right? All right, so now let's add that tree to our house. And that will be block 15 complete. Beautiful. Now make sure you give it a good pressing because it's a big block, and you know you're supposed to do that as you go along, but we're trying to do for timeline here. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that big beautiful block. One of my favorites. That'll make an awesome pillow, lovely wall hanging, lovely welcome home little something really cute and special, that's for sure. Awesome. All right, there we go. That is block 15, everybody. One more to go, and this beautiful Be My Neighbor by Moda Sew Along from 2017 will be complete. We'll have 2 of them done. Same background, it's different colors on the house. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate you here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. Don't forget to join us on Saturdays for our live stream at 1 p.m. Eastern, and usually Tuesday and or Thursday, depending on sometimes the schedule, for our cross stitch live stream. Okay? Take care, everybody. Big hugs, and we'll see you real soon.